Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Everything Fresh Limited for the 12 months ended December 31, 2023, reported a 20% increase in revenue, totaling 3.1 billion Jamaican dollars compared to the 2.64 billion in the corresponding period last year. As such, net profit for the 12 months amounted to 100.43 million, a 109% increase from the 48.16 million reported in 2022. Main Event Entertainment Group Limited for the first quarter ended January 31, 2024, reported a 9% decrease in revenues, totaling 567.75 million compared to the 626.99 million in the corresponding 3 months last year. Main Event noted this was mainly due to a one-off event for one of our major clients, which is not likely to reoccur in subsequent periods. As such, net profit for the 3 months amounted to 100.25 million, a 15% decrease from the 117.95 million Jamaican dollars reported in 2022. During trading on March 12, 2024, the top advancing stocks covered the finance sector on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited shares advanced by 15.32% for a $1.42 price jump to close at $10.69 with 1,000 shares traded. Jamaica Stock Exchange Limited shares advanced 14.83% for a $1.33 price increase to close at $10.30 with 1,500 shares traded. JMMB Group Limited 7.15% shares advanced 10.62% for a 29-cent price increase to close at $3.02 with 1 share traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on March 12, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the energy, finance, and transportation sectors. MPC Caribbean Clean Energy Limited Jamaican dollar stock declined by 26.93% for a $29.48 downward price drop to close at $80 with 1,330 shares traded. Mayberry Group Limited declined by 10.5% for 84 cents price drop to close at $7.16 with 1,590 shares traded. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited US dollar shares declined by 10.13% to close at 2 US cents with 2,543,144 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange on March 12, registered a volume of 490,792 shares crossing the floor of the exchange valued at Trinidad and Tobago $6,187,213. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader with 183,924 shares changing hands for a value of TT $277,726.04, followed by Massey Holdings Limited with a volume of 78,297 shares being traded for TT $341,376.65. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On March 12, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $33.4 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $20.1 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $155.56 and bought the US dollar for $154.33. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.23, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $6.81 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.44 and bought for $109.63. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $1.48, selling it for $197.88 and buying it for $196.40. For the credit report tip of the day, are you feeling a bit hesitant about talking to your bankers about your credit report? Well, don't overwhelm yourself by trying to tackle everything at once. Break the process down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, start by researching different banks or financial institutions in your area. Then move on to scheduling an appointment. And finally, discussing your credit report and funding options with a banker. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.